All right, so welcome back to Nubs Fragrances. We're going to do another layering video. I'm really excited for this one because I have an amazing idea. I think I just had a mind-blowing epiphany. What if I combined Tuscan leather, in this case Toscano leather, the clone, with the original Stronger With You? Would I get Stronger With You leather? So let's find out. So obviously I don't need to do the Stronger With You leather first because that one doesn't need to blend. So I'm going to start with this Toscano leather. Let's go right arm. One, two. And then I have this, it's a travel spray. 1, 2. And then I'll take the actual fragrance, put it on the other arm. 1, 2. We'll let them dry a little bit. I'm telling you, this smells amazing already. I'm loving this. This smells amazing already. I love it. I'm just enjoying the scents right now as they're hitting me. A little bit longer, a little bit longer. Oof. All right, let's see if I was right. So you really have a nice blend right here. Toscano leather is a little bit harsher. Maybe I should have only done one spray. Oh man, this is good though. It's two of my favorite fragrances. Now, I will say Stronger With You leather has a sweeter DNA right now. This is blended to perfection. I think I got the spray ratios down wrong. I think if I would have done one Toscano leather with 2 Stronger With You, maybe even 3, I think we would have been much more like this. Again, as I always say, leather's not like a main focal point. It's like a supporting actor. It's just pushing through the Stronger With You DNA. And right here, I'm getting basically a blend, in which case the Toscano leather is really the focal point, and the Stronger With You is just kind of subtly there. So, anyway, I'm gonna spray more Stronger With You. Try and get up so you can see. There we go. Let that sit for a second. I'm telling you, if you've never smelled this, it is such a good fragrance. I am loving it. It is so perfectly blended. Again, so for those of you that haven't smelled it, I hear it smells like the oud version, although I haven't smelled oud, so I couldn't tell you for sure if that's the case. But it is a very good, gourmand, sweet fragrance. Now, this is not sickly sweet. This is not headache-inducing sweet. It is just blended perfectly. You have that amazing just notes coming together, that creaminess. It's perfect. But then there's this leather accord. So I always say it's like if you wear Stronger With You and you have a nice leather jacket, you're outside in the fall, and you're just getting all those scents together. That's what this smells like. And I love it. I'm all for this fragrance. Digging it. Now, yeah, I'm still getting Toscano leather. Yeah, Tuscan leather is really, or Toscano leather. I apologize. It's not Tuscan leather. I do not want to offend Tom Ford for his masterpiece that he made. This is a $30 cheapie. It smells identical to your masterpiece. I'm sorry. I did not pay for the OG. I wish I had. I apologize, Mr. Ford. But it is starting to come together better. The only thing is I'm noticing the Stronger With You leather has a creamierness to it versus the OG fragrance. It isn't as creamy. It has a nice gourmand sweetness to it. Yeah, again, this is just the regular EDT, the original one. It is very good. Nothing against it. Love it to death. I will say, of all the fragrances in the line, it's probably the worst because everyone seemed to get better after it. So nothing against the original. The original is still amazing. I think every fragrance house would have loved to have come out with it. It's a great fragrance. But they kept getting better and better and better. And this is a masterpiece. I'm telling you, the Stronger With You leather, so good. It's starting to blend a little bit better, but I'm missing that creaminess, unfortunately. So I was wrong. I apologize. It is not Stronger With You mixed with Toscano or Tuscan leather. It is close. I just need like a creamierness to it, kind of like a, I'd almost say like a chestnut milkshake mixed with Toscano leather. Maybe that's a better way of putting it. I don't know if those exist. If those exist, let me know. I don't think they do. But it is a good combination. This is a good combo. I would actually rock this on a regular basis, but that's just because I love Toscano leather. I love that Tuscan leather DNA. I think it is perfect. I love the raspberryness to it. I love the way the leather works with it. And it's an uplifting leather. It isn't this dark, heavy. Yes, it is darker, so it works in the fall, winter, and springtime, but it isn't that like super dark where there's nothing pulling it up into the light. This is so good. I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. But again, kind of like a previous video, I don't know that I needed to blend it with Strong With You. I think it's just the fact I love Toscano leather so much. Man, Strong With You leather. I'm telling you, if you haven't smelled it and you get a chance, smell it. If you want to blind buy it, I would blind buy it. This is perfect. Again, Strong With You, a little bit creamier with an amazing leather accord. It is just perfection. I'm loving this. So good. So anyhow, it's Nubs Fragrances. Can't wait to talk to you in the future. Please feel free to subscribe and follow. I'm appreciating everything you guys are doing. We are growing rapidly, and it's not without the help from you guys. So thank you so much. It means so much to me. So I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon.